Cookie sheet storage for a big family house must be engineered for high capacity, rapid access, and safe transport. Design a vertical pull-out rack in the pantry that uses full-height plywood sides and 3/4-inch plywood shelves spaced to accept cookie sheets and cooling trays upright by their short edge. Route a 1/4-inch rebate along each shelf front, so trays seat squarely and install soft close. Full extension slides, rated for at least 100 pounds, to keep movement smooth and safe. For bulk baking workflows, add a rolling A-frame cooling rack sized to fit through your kitchen doorways and store it in an appliance garage on heavy-duty swivel casters with braking locks. Use nylon or stainless steel casters and provide a shallow bumper strip so doors close without hitting the rack. Label every tray slot with permanent legible labels that include capacity information such as maximum tray thickness and manufacturer tray size, so anyone can quickly match trays to slots. Use a consistent label location at the front right corner of each slot and laminate the labels for kitchen humidity resistance. For transport and short-term staging, build slide-out tray holders with an ergonomic handle and 10-inch travel slides so you can pull trays partially out to load or unload without lifting. Pre-drill index stop holes, so trays sit at a predictable depth, and install rubber bumpers to prevent metal-on-metal contact. When choosing materials, prefer moisture-resistant plywood or phenolic-coated boards and corrosion-resistant hardware in coastal or high-humidity environments. Pre-finish components before assembly and test fit 3 representative tray sizes to confirm fit before final installation. Finally, plan circulation space so a single person can pull a tray and step back without crossing the path of another cook. Mark the clearance zones on a temporary floor plan and verify with a mock-up using a cardboard template of your largest tray. The 3 common mistakes are under specifying slide hardware, which leads to sagging or failure, so always pick slides rated well above expected load and test with a fully loaded mock-up. Mislabeling or no labeling, which causes tray misplacement and slows operations, so standardize labels and include capacity and size details. And storing cooling trays flat stacked, which traps heat and moisture and increases sticking risk, so adopt vertical storage or dedicated cooling racks that allow air circulation and quick access. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like high-capacity cookie sheet storage, so we can find local tradespeople experienced with cabinetry, hardware, and kitchen workflow optimization. We host a discussion community where we share plans, ask questions, and trade practical tips so our members can refine ideas and hire help that matches their project needs.